Got it here, Oregon self-sharpening chainsaw, but this time it's on batteries. Before I showed you corded, I don't think I ever seen it's been set up with batteries. So we'll do a little bit unboxing, charge the battery and put it to the test. So it takes oil, comes with oil, that's crazy, like a bar oil I guess. That's all we need. Wow, look at that instructions. So a little bit of assembly if you're buying it online. There's the charger. Okay, what else we need? Is this a battery? Yeah, that looks like a battery, really flat. I really like the packaging so far. Okay, what is in here? Comes with a bar. Wow, the Oregon packaging, pretty impressive. Okay, and let's pull the chain out. Okay, the bar and hopefully the chain is over here. And the chain is over here. Oregon is pretty popular chains. Okay, that's it. That's a really good box. Okay, there's a bar. So every time you buy stuff online, it will be a little bit more complicated. Okay, boom. We'll just do assembly and unboxing. And this is how you self-sharpening right here on batteries. That's crazy. Let's finish unboxing everything. That's gonna go on the charger. Check this out. Pretty nice flat battery. I kind of like it. Never seen a battery like that. It's pretty hefty. Yeah, this thing's still heavy. Usually the battery is the heaviest part on the electric chainsaw. This thing's still pretty heavy, but not super heavy to where like it's impossible to use. It's just chainsaw, right? Okay. Wow, look at this box. There's our charger block. Unbox everything, and it comes with a pretty long cord. Okay, we'll place that for a few hours, maybe longer. You wanna charge it all the way before first time use. You always wanna charge it. There will be oil inside here. This is just a bar oil. Very nice. Looks like a big container. Okay, we'll do that later. First we need to, it actually has a viewing window, how much oil we have left. The battery is gonna go into here. I'll just stick it in there for fun to see what it looks like. Yeah, that way. Very easy to put the battery in, and looks like there's a button to take out the battery. I like that design. Definitely one of a kind. Definitely not a copy. Every time I see electric chainsaw, they all look kind of similar. Is this a brake? Yep, this is a brake over here. This is how we're going to set up the bar. The whole thing will unspin. There you go. I guess you tighten it up and unspin it. Hopefully you guys can see. There you go. Take it all out. So I really like it. It doesn't have any screws. Everything stays in here. The bolt has a handle on it. Oh, fun. Gotta untangle the chain first of all. But look at the chain. The actual blades are very different because it's self-sharpening chainsaw. The chainsaw. I just set it down instead. Play with it like this. Yeah, seems to be a little bit easier. Maybe. Okay. There you go. And we untangled it. Lay the cutting edge down, not the upside down, because it'll be not the right way. It won't cut anything. So just tiny bar, tiny chain. Feels like a huge chainsaw for 16 inches. So, oh yeah, you see this side here? That was going to sharpen it. You turn the chainsaw on and spin it and push this. The sharpening stone over here, it's also replaceable, and it will sharpen it up. This chainsaw has been out for a while, so I wouldn't be too worried on getting parts. We might need this piece right here. Yeah, this side here comes in the instructions. It actually gets a little complicated. You take off this screw, I guess, and put it onto the bar. Okay, it should go back and forth a little bit. You see how it's in a notch over here and a screw on this side. So not so easy as I thought. And you see how this whole bar can go in and out. Okay, makes sense now. Okay, then I guess now that it sits in here, can go into rest. Then I'm gonna put the chain on. And this side here, plus minus, you see how it's going to adjust it, and boom. And then this is gonna tighten it. Wow, that's kind of cool. You see, by spinning this, so that's the red part is going to tighten it. Cool. We're gonna put this cover back on. We can adjust this and then tighten it up. I was wondering why it wasn't working. So this is why we do an unboxing and installation first of all. That's a little bit too tight. So what we can do is adjust it. You see, too low. You want to have a little slack. It will stretch out. Maybe that's a bit too tight. Okay, adjust it. You see, loosen it up. Tighten it. Super easy to tighten it. Okay, and maybe a little bit, and then tighten it right here. Now it's good. Have a little slack. Good. And our chainsaw ready to go. What we'll do is just oil it up, and then after oiling it, we're gonna charge the batteries, and we'll do a different video cutting test. We're gonna completely tool it out and sharpen it, and we're gonna do another cutting test. And this side here is premium bar and chain oil. It says right here we don't have gasoline engine, so we don't need like oil for the other stuff. What happened? Is it done already? That's it. The batteries, and we're ready to go. Very interesting self-sharpening electric chainsaw. Cannot wait to put it to the test. But this is how you unbox it and assemble it.